Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video, we go over how to download a Copyleaks report. We will also provide a brief overview of the report. Let's get started. In this demo, we already have a scanned document via the teacher scanning tool. Click on the View Report icon, the square with the arrow pointing in the upper right, to open the report. Then click on the Download icon in the upper right corner. This will generate a PDF for us to share with colleagues. Viewing the downloaded PDF, it starts by providing a quick summary of the results of the scan. Scrolling further down, we get more details of the individual reports. This is followed by the associated highlighted text of the submitted document coded for that particular report. The report ends with a summary of the settings used to scan the report. A tutorial on how to securely share this report with colleagues will be linked in the description. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day.